Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn how many times. Multiplication, together, step by step. When we count equal groups, we're starting multiplication. Let's add equal groups again and again. 3 groups of 2 is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Each group has the same number. We can skip count by groups, 2s, 2, 4, 6, 5s, 5, 10, 15. It's faster than counting one by one. 4 bags with 2 apples, each is 2 added 4 times, 8 apples. To recap, equal groups are repeated addition. We skip count by groups. And this is the start of multiplication. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.